If you have hooded eyes like me, then you must be aware what happens when you apply glitter on your lids and it gets stuck and creased under that extra skin. So here I've got to you a way to avoid it by applying it above the extra fold of that skin. So if you want to know how to do that, then please keep on watching.
Starting out by priming my lids with the PAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm setting it with new Master Fix Setting Loose Powder.
For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the Sweet Talk palette by Colourpop. I'll start by creating a new crease above my natural crease line using this nude shade with my PAC brush in the style 126. I'm further blending my eyeshadow using my Sigma brush E40. Using the same shade on my PAC brush in the style 126, I'll also be smoking it out in my lower lash line. Dipping my angled flat brush in this black eyeshadow, I'll draw a wing in the outer corner and I'll start to push it inwards to diffuse it. Using the PAC Takeover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand, I'm going to cut my crease. To set the concealer, I'm using this Bone Matte shade with my flat brush. Using a smaller flat brush, I'll start to place this very fine glitter just under my new crease. I won't be dragging it all the way down to avoid any creases in my glitter. To line my top lash line, I'll be using the Lakme Insta Liner. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'll be using this shimmery gold shade with my flat short shader brush. Very quickly, I'll be cleaning up underneath my eye using a concealer. To finish up, I'll be coating my lashes with some mascara. This one's Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. For falsies, I'll be using the NY Bay lashes in the style Ultimate Lashes. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you wanna follow me there. And if you wanna watch more hooded eye makeup like these, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to create some for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.